Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my bar channel where I'm either building it, assembling it, or just replacing it. I've got this zero-turn lawnmower, Craftsman zero-turn lawnmower, where the two front tires went bad. They're dry rotted, got damage. To replace the tires was going to be a lot of work. So what I've done is research and got some flat free tires, universal flat free tires. Got it from Amazon. For the pair I paid $60, and I'm gonna swap them out. It's a little bit time consuming because of getting the bolts out and put it back in, but it's not that difficult. So follow me along in this video. These tires, they came with quite a few extra bushings for the spacing between the fork and the lawnmower, so that way you're able to get the right fit. I've got this zero turn all jacked up, so what I'm gonna do is try to get the bolts off, and once I get the bolts off, I'm gonna replace the tires with the correct bushing. These bolts are really tight, so use the impact gun just to get it screwed out, and once I get it screwed out, I'm going to proceed with replacing the tires inside. Here I'm doing a dry fit to make sure that the tires fit properly, and I put the right bushings, the right size bushings on both sides. So I'm taking my measurement and I'm getting my dry fitting to get that tire inserted in. It's a little bit difficult. I should have chucked that arm so it doesn't keep spinning on me. And every time it spins, it throws me off. Once I got the bolt with one side in, I went and got the push that bolt through, got the bushing, and push it through to the other side. I tighten up the nut using the impact gun. That way it pulls the bolt all the way through versus me trying to hammer it in, because I don't want to damage any parts. Once I got that in, I keep spinning the tire to make sure it's rotating freely. It's not tight, it's not stuck. Once it's spinning freely, I just moved on to the other wheel and repeat the process all over again. This bolt was a little bit tight to get out due to the fact that it was never removed and lubricated, and it was probably just wedged in there really tight. I had to get a pry bar just pop it out. Once I got the pry bar and pop it out, it would just slip right out. And then I proceeded with replacing the tire with the correct bushing. what I've done is making sure that the tires are both facing the correct direction. And when I say facing the correct direction, it's for the grease nipple, both in the same direction. This way, you can grease from both. When it's facing forward, you can grease from both outside or grease from both inside. Once I'm done, I got my grease gun, and I'm gonna put some grease in there until it oozes out of the shaft, by the shaft. Once it oozes out by the shaft, I know there's enough grease, and it'll be good to go. So I'm gonna grease it up now, get some good grease in there. Yep, grease gun is out of grease. I gotta go replace the grease with a new tube of grease. And once I get that new tube replaced, I'll continue the greasing process. Once it's all greased up, just good to go. You can do a test run, make sure everything is running fine. If you like what I do, subscribe, like, share. This way I can keep making more how to do videos, how I do my stuff. Just a DIY guy. That's all for now. Peace.